All right, mate. Welcome to the group. Now, I'm assuming you mean MIR, not MIRA. I don't know MIRA. If I'm wrong on it, you can let me know. But I'll have a look at MIR here. Now, it's not going to be easy to recover. You know, when you get drops like this, it would probably need to put in some sort of a base. Some sort of structure that would then allow price, like say we have a line there. Maybe it would need to, build some sort of maybe even a head and shoulders pattern or something in here that would form some kind of down-sloping resistance point. A little bit like this in a way. Not that that's a great example, but you can see the down-sloping resistance point, and then you get that recovery, you get that break back up. So at this point, it's unlikely to just V-shape back up. There is a new 2-week candle in 5 days' time. That's when there may be some recovery. You can see here, the recovery was on a new 2-week when we flip green then on a new 2-week and bounce back up. That's likely what's going to need to happen. It is also it's a new monthly also in 5 days' time. If I can find that. So you can see here we're deep red on the month, and a little bit like here, we're pretty much deep red on the month, but then on a new month it allowed to flip green and bounce back up. That's really what's going to need to happen here in 6 days' time. At this point, it's not really going to bounce that much, although there can be some bounce. I actually like it for a bounce. I think it's look at it. It's just way oversold. This is actually a bit of a bullish stop hunt right here. So you can buy MIR here right now with a stop below these lows. And what you're looking for is this monthly candle to form some sort of a wick, a little bit like this wick up here or whatever.